Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video, how we can edit this video. So let's go for our camera, and when you are here we can find the slow motion video, right? So we have to play it, then we have to tap on the right upper corner on the three dots, click on the editor, and right now we can easily change the moment of the slow motion by moving these sliders. So as you can see, this one will go fast as a normal speed, and right now it goes in the slow motion, and after that when it jumps out of this line it will go fast, right? So that's how we can adjust the slow motion moment on the smartphone. And of course we can easily change the length of the video by moving these two switchers below. Of course, here we can find other things, like we can change the rotation of the screen, we can add some filters, right? We can add the stickers, we can even write something, we can add the live, we can paint here, and we can also add the text. We can put it here, and after that we can save this video by tapping right here. And right now this video will appears right here. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!